Grip tape installation. First, read the instructions that are supplied with your tape. When you're ready to begin, separate the clear layer from the grip tape. Stretch the grip tape. This activates the material so it will bond with itself. Be careful to not let the tape touch itself until you want it to do so. Start by holding the beginning of the tape with one hand while wrapping around to meet itself on the other side. Make a double layer to begin with. Once it has bonded, it will stay in place and become much easier to wrap. Continue wrapping with light tension. Then begin angling up the paddle, overlapping from 1/4 to 1/2 of the previous layer. Keep the tension on the tape as you're wrapping. Don't over tension. How much of the paddle you want to cover is up to you. Finish with another double wrap. And when you're done, trim with scissors. The grip tape should be smooth and comfortable to grab. There's one final and important step. Rinse the grip tape with water. This removes the residue that's left behind by the material, which would make it feel slippery if it gets wet. So before you get in the boat, make sure you do this important step. When you're done, the grip tape will be tacky even when wet.